What is crypto mining? Specifically, what is Bitcoin mining? Well, the way it works is that when you have a blockchain, essentially every single time you add a block to the transactional record or the blockchain, you have to validate this block with a cryptographic hash. So essentially there is a complex mathematical problem that computers have to solve in order to validate or put this block onto the blockchain. And then when it's time, another one is added as well. A different cryptographic hash is solved and it is put onto the blockchain. The way mining works is that really powerful computers have to be used to solve these cryptographic hashes. And when the solution is found, whoever solves this cryptographic hash is rewarded a form of currency. So in the case of Bitcoin, if you solve a cryptographic hash and you validate a block on the Bitcoin blockchain, you are given Bitcoin as a reward. So once again, you can add as many blocks as you want, but the moment that you solve this and you're the one that validates the block, you get crypto as a reward. Now, the realistic fact about this is that the average person today, as recording this video, can't really mine Bitcoin all by themselves. It's simply too hard because over time, the cryptographic hash and the hashing power required to solve these problems has increased. The difficulty of mining has increased, and they require very specialized equipment. Back in the day, you could mine with an old laptop, but now you need very specialized equipment known as ASICs, which allow you to basically mine effectively, but even then one ASIC won't do it. You'll have to have a wide variety and they're extremely expensive. So it's very cost prohibitive for the average person to get into crypto mining. However, there is a way you can. Essentially, the way it works is you join something called a mining pool. A mining pool essentially kind of takes the resources of all people within the pool. Let's say there's 1,000 people in the mining pool. They all contribute their hashing power or their processing power to the mining pool. And if any one of them validate the cryptographic hash of a blockchain network, they actually split the reward amongst everyone in the pool. Because of the way the blockchain rewards work, whoever solves the block gets the reward. And so therefore, if you are just waiting for the one person or the single kind of miner to achieve that, it's going to take them forever. It's extremely unlikely that you ever, if you're a solo miner, unlock a given mining reward. And so that's why you pool your resources together, because with thousands or hundreds of thousands of other miners, you're much more likely to achieve smaller successes. A large mining pool is more likely to crack that cryptographic hash, and therefore, instead of waiting for one massive payout, maybe, which might never happen, because you're in a massive pool and you get many smaller payouts over time, it feels much more worth it. So that is how current mining is done. There are a variety of different platforms and a variety of different mining pools available. Different cryptocurrencies mined. Other ones are in proof of stake, another thing that we'll define in another video. With that being said, I hope that this video helped, and I strongly suggest you check out this playlist with other videos that'll help you learn the fundamentals of crypto. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.